Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change server in League of Legends. Alright, let's begin. First, open your League of Legends client. At the top right, click on the stacked coins icon to access the store. Once inside, head over to the top right corner and click on Account Settings. Here, you'll see a list of available regions. If you want to transfer your account to a different region like Nordic and East, it will cost you 2,600 RP. This applies to all regions. Each transfer costs the same amount of RP. Now, what if you want to change your server for free? There is a way, but it requires meeting specific conditions. You need to be living in the region you want to switch to. Riot will verify your location through their website by checking if your system is physically located in that region. For instance, if you're originally from the Philippines and have moved to Japan, Riot's system will detect this. In such cases, you can request a region change on Riot's official site without paying any RP. It's important to note, this only works when your new physical location is supported by Riot's verification system. So that's basically how you can change server in League of Legends. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.